Back in the day, the ancient Chinese worshipped the moon because they believed there was a correlation between its movement and their agricultural production. Nowadays, the Mid-Autumn Festival is celebrated with lanterns, friends and family, and of course, mooncake. In today's episode, we will have a look at this traditional delicacy and also the modernization of this gastronomical delicacy. Although a dying practice, the tradition of making sacrificial offerings to the moon still persists to this day. With the help of some incense, candles, fruits along with the mooncakes facing towards the moon, you can pray for good fortune, longevity, or anything else you may desire. The mooncake is generally round in shape, just like the moon itself, to symbolize harmony and unity in the family. To celebrate the coming together on the Mid-Autumn Festival, mooncake is generally sliced in equivalent number of slices to how many people are in the family, therefore keeping the spirit of unity in the household. The festivities of the Mid-Autumn Festival have largely remained the same, and the traditional mooncake is certainly irreplaceable. However, there is a 21st century innovation of this delicacy that takes it to a whole new level. We are currently arriving at the St. Regis's signature restaurant, The Manor, famed for its seafood and steak dishes. Every year around the Mid-Autumn Festival, they celebrate by crafting two variations of a limited edition mooncake made from chocolate. I'm so excited to be here today. We're going to talk with the chef and also hopefully get a taste of that chocolate mooncake.
酒店咧就同個黑便利合作啦，咁我哋又會推出一個 Jet Theme 嘅主題嘅朱古力月餅啦。我哋團隊同事咧就花咗1個星期嘅時間啦去研究啦，去諗用咩口味啦。咁之後咧我哋又花1個星期時間咧去試唔同嘅材料啦。咁最終咧我哋係揀咗2款口味啦。咁一個咧就係朱古力 Oreo 啦，另外一款咧就係紅莓朱古力啦。開心果朱古力月餅啦，適合咧就大人同細路哥都可以食嘅朱古力月餅。
I have in front of me 2 of St. Regis's special limited edition chocolate mooncakes, and over here I have, this should be the raspberry chocolate. It's very pretty and well designed, and then to the left I have, this should be the Oreo chocolate mooncake. So I'm going to go first for the raspberry one because I like berry flavored chocolate, so I'm going to see how that one turns out. That is really good. So when I first bite into it, I taste the chocolate with a tiny bit of the raspberry tinge, and I love how it's so crunchy on the outside, but then when it's, you can also taste the softness of the chocolate on the inside. So there's like a lot of layers to it. I really like that. This is really good. Definitely like this. This is mooncake I could eat all the time. So we have the second one. This one is Oreo chocolate. I also got the nice little St. Regis emblem. Wow. This one is very rich chocolate, very dark chocolate. Completely different flavor than the raspberry one. It's really good. I don't taste Oreo so much, but it's very rich, dark chocolate flavor. It's really good. If you like chocolate, you're definitely going to love this one. I'm feeling deliciously decadent, and if you are a chocoholic or you know any of your friends that are, this would make the perfect gift for the Mid-Autumn Festival. Whether you opt for a more traditional or modern celebration, what truly matters is keeping with the spirit of festivities and admiring the full moon at the height of autumn. And while you're at it, treat your friends and loved ones to all the various flavors of the moon.